My 6-year-old was on a video call with her grandma. She was laying on the kitchen floor, and her head happened to be looking up at the bottom of the fridge during the call, which means Grandma saw underneath the fridge. I heard from the other room, "Oh my gosh, where are you? That is really gross. You shouldn't put your head there." Anyways, today we'll be cleaning the fridge coils and underneath the fridge and behind the fridge. Oh, what are you even... Am I gonna get electrocuted? I can't even get in there.
That's why I brought it in your garage. If it's running, I don't know if you want to go in there.
Are you serious?
There might be a fan.
So what are you saying?
I don't know.
What are you even supposed to, like, wipe it on when it's done? Oh! Okay. Must be the weirdest thing. So I googled it. It's like a polyurethane rigid foam that is under there. It's kind of like this thick yellow sheet, so just try to avoid that when you are cleaning under there. We decided we're gonna need to wheel the fridge out, clean what's underneath, so I'm just gonna check on the children. Children! How you doing? Want a hug? Okay. Love you. Have fun. What are you building?
We're building. We're having a store, so if you'd like to go to the store, you just have to give us a stick.
A stick. Okay. All right. Oh, Finley. No. And there'd be like coils to clean up with the thing. I might have discovered something underneath the freezer. Some mouse poop. After we moved the fridge out, I was like, oh, might as well clean up behind the freezer. I'm like, it's not even that bad. Just a little quick vacuum. And then when I saw that mouse poop, I was like, I just need to do it. Literally got this far. How often do you ever move your fridge? And I actually saw that the other side was worse. Not worse as like poop. I mean, it's sort of just, it's all gross. I'm just gonna clean it. So it looks a lot better. There is just a lot of, like, this is all clean. There is just a lot of rust in there, so I couldn't clean that out. And my last step was going to be, I couldn't reach, like, back there. But since there was mouse poop, I wanted to scrape and see. And as I was scraping underneath here and bringing it forward, there's this more poop. So I guess I'm glad I got the Q-tips out so I can suck that out. I kind of like peeking back here because when you can see what's inside, you can see what the mice have been eating. It's like, oh, we've been leaving food crumbs out. And it was like, no, there was a sunflower shell from our bird feeder and some leaves from outside. So at least it's helpful to know they're not eating the food that anything is being left out. I would like to not be behind the fridge anymore. I just want to also tell you, if you're back here, that's hot. Because don't burn yourself. I was excited because I thought I was done. So I was putting these back on. And then I remembered I didn't actually finish down here. So this part, this is not all dust. This is actually like an insulation, which I probably shouldn't be touching with my bare hands. So this you can't just like scrape out. So you have to be conscious. But I did peek and I saw like, oh, this up here is still pretty icky, so gotta clean that.